Welcome to your TOWB dashboard. This is the main area where you can monitor your balance, track transactions, and create new orders. At the top, you can see your account information and quick access icons. In the Quick Links section, click Send Money to create a new transfer or add deposit to fund your wallet. Clicking on Send Money will take you to the new transaction page. Here you can see your wallet balance and a summary of your transaction activity. The boxes show processing transactions, completed transactions, canceled transactions, and total transfers. Below, the recent deposit section displays your latest deposits with amount, status, and date. On the right, recent transfer shows your most recent money transfers. Each transfer includes an ID, amount, status, and date. Everything you need to manage your account is available in one place. Thanks for choosing TOWB.